The trash quality. I was on stretch rest, so my bad.
Yo, you already know who on that beat, nigga. Lil Day left a stain. Yo, we smoke any art, then we hit it and pop up. Just give me the drop on your spot, I'm a rocker. If it just smoke, we pull up with Glocks. Pussy boy, make sure the back door lock. Got more time, don't need no clock. All these hoes telling me just stop. I'ma just beat her little back, then I leave her. That hoe ain't special, that hoe is a eater. Little pussy boy try to reach for the Glock. You already know the pussy got popped. Little pussy boy, I know where you stay. Little pussy boy, I know where you lay. Shoot the pussy boy in that motherfucking face. I'ma do the Ray J like TK. Skirt. Little pussy boy, I ain't really with the chit chat. Little pussy boy, I ain't really with the knick-knack. Shooters hopping out, no black, let me get that. I just took a sack, he just took a loss. Nigga fuck the coast, I'm a young boss. Nigga drippin' sauce. Soon as I seen the pussy, boy, he ran. Ran so fast, call him Dirty Dan. Hit him with chalks, hit him with mops. Boy, you a up, get off the block. Why the beat stop? I fuck with so many Zoka, they true. Can't fool with you, G kick the boot. Stay in the booth, I speak the truth. I stay in your tooth, just like a sweet tooth. Bruh steady capping, bruh steady rapping. Pull up on him, while bro flagging. Shoot up his crib, is nowhere to stay. The glizzy's tucked under my waist. Shooters moving silent, they do what I say. So you better pray or get out the way, cause I'm finna slay. Y'all pussy nigga, you know how I'm coming, nigga. Your next wanna blow up, nigga. And you ain't with it, get low. Pussy ass nigga.
Alright, y'all. So this kid was so toxic saying he's gonna email Creative Destruction and get my account banned. That's why I only got clips off him and Venom, which is Kaimo Primo.